Okay, so good morning, ma'am. My name is Rohit, and I am pursuing law. I'm in my fourth year, Christ University, and I had signed up for this course on LawSikho, that is Diploma in Business Law. So yeah, in my second year, I got an inclination towards the corporate law, and so this is what my one of my friend, who is my mentor in one of the law firm, he had advised me that there is law is a business, right? So 5 years you are studying law in your law school, and you should get an exposure of business. You should learn business also. So we don't have the law school don't teach us how to do business. And I signed up for this course to get an exposure over all the business law, and also to get an idea over the management aspect also. So yeah, that was the purpose. And when I saw the course which have been offered, there are a lot of subjects of corporate law, like company law, tax, arbitration, banking law, insurance, FEMA regulation, which is very important as a practical aspect when you are working in law firm. So yes, that's what the purpose was, to sign up for this course. Okay, so there are weekly assignments which have been given by the course, and you have to do these weekly assignments. So these weekly assignments are actually very practical assignments and not really theoretical. Okay, so let me give an example. So one of the assignment is like Mr. X is a director of XYZ company, and he wants to give the loan to the company. So whether this is permissible, and you have to map down the regulations or the law involved, the company law and various other statutes. So these are the things which have been actually given as a work to interns, or as well as the associate when you join top law firms or tier 2 law firms. So yeah, so when you give the assignments to me, and when you give me to draft an opinion or to draft a memorandum or association of a company, or articles of association of company, so these are very useful when I get these experience and carry it forward to my internships. So yes, ma'am. All, to answer this question, yes, I use the experience of this course to my internships and practical aspect. So let me give an example. When I was interning in a top law firm in tax, that is Lakshmi Kumar and Sridharan. So there the associate gave me a work to draft an opinion. Okay, so LawSikho provides you with the templates while they are giving the assignments. Okay, so in those templates, they are very formal, they are organized, and uh, they are not scattered, right? So when someone gives us a work to draft an opinion or to draft a partnership deed, we just open the Excel Word document, and we just draft it randomly. Okay, but what LawSikho provided me was a formal and organized way to draft, as if you are drafting for a client, right? So when I gave the work to my associate there, he was really very impressed, because it was not just in a Word document, but it was very formally organized, as if I'm giving the work to the client and not to the associate. The assignments are very useful. Okay, so in no law school in India, uh, they have a subject on FEMA regulation, and FEMA regulation is very important. As far as I have experienced in internship, I've done internship in Link Legal, Platinum, and LKS, and there is always an aspect of FEMA regulation, but no law school deal with it, right? But in LawSikho, that is diploma in business law, there is a separate subject on FEMA regulation, and there are exercise on FEMA regulation, how to map the regulation and how to solve the queries of the client. So this was very useful subject, or as I can say, it was very useful experience for every student, because no law school touches upon these aspects. So yeah, every law student should sign up for this course, for the simple reason that it it teaches you a formal way to do certain things, right? As I earlier said, that first of all, there are like couple of reasons. First of all, it's a diploma in business law, right? It does not teach you about law. There are various other students of leaving law, like chartered accountant or company secretary or MBA, who have signed up for this course, and it does not restrict you to law. It teaches you a business aspect also, which is very important for every law student. And the second reason is, as I said, that the assignments are very useful. The module structures are very useful. It deals with every corporate law, like starting from insurance to company law. It deals with every practical aspects involved. So these are the two reasons why a law student should sign up for this course, because these things are not being taught in the law school. So yes. It depends. There are like hostile work environment, and there are very lenient work environment in every organization, right? So it depends upon the associate's mood also. Sometimes they will teach you, sometimes they will not teach you. And we can't really blame them, right, if they don't teach us, because they have a lot of work there. It's for a reason they are at a top tier firm, because they have work every now and then. So it becomes very important for you to understand what kind of work will be expected from you. So when I signed up for LawSikho, there were assignments which are really very practical assignment, and not theoretical in every purest sense, right? So there were practical hypotheticals which was being given as an assignment, and this is what actually is the work given to you when you intern in top law firm. So sometimes they do teach us, sometimes they don't. So yeah. No, I just there must be like all over pan India base competitions which should be organized. Like there is every seminar which takes place is always in Delhi, right? So, but I'm studying in Bangalore. I'm resident in Mumbai, so I cannot travel to Delhi. But yeah, I can understand there is always a live video which has been seminar which has been organized by LawSikho. But if possible, yeah, it should be there in every major cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, and yeah.